Alright, we're gonna do a quick little makeup look of the week, and oh goodness. Oh yuck! That's mommy's. So I think I'm gonna do a speed motion too, but I might do a voiceover so that you guys can hear what I did. I didn't do a voiceover last time, and I already did my foundation, which is CC Cream, light to medium. I should be wearing very light in the winter because I'm way paler, but in the summer I'm light to medium, so it's kind of whatever. Usually I have two different colors. I already did foundation, so I'm just gonna do my eyes. I already primed them, and let's get into the look. All right, you guys, so the first place I start out with is my crease. I grabbed an eye crease brush, and I'm putting some hazelnut, which is like a light brown, in my crease there, and kind of just blending it out. Then I'm gonna grab an all over shadow brush and grab the color Burnished Bronze, which is like a kind of more glittery brown. This look is kind of just like a bronzy shadow smoky look. And just put that all over my lid. Bruce is going crazy with the toothbrush. I'm grabbing another all over lid brush in the color Blossom, which is like a whitish pink light color. And I'm putting that underneath my brow and in the corner of my eyes to just brighten and lift my eye area up. Then I'm gonna grab a tiny bit of rose gold and just put it in the center of my eye. I'm gonna grab my all over eye smudger brush, grab a little bit of truffle, which is a dark brown, and kind of just smoke out right by my lashes, almost like a liner. And then I'm going to grab my absolute favorite eyeliner. I seriously can't use anything else but my eyeliner pen, which is like a felt tip black. I know I've made a video of it before. And just go right next to my lashes, about halfway. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna do some lash primer on those bad boys. And then after that, I'm gonna immediately go in with my Lash Intensity mascara. And that's really just how I do like a quick bronzy eye. Oh, this is my favorite lipstick, Mauve Moment. Well, I hope you guys liked this look of the day, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks, guys.